Let's learn how to end songs with echo and reverb in Premiere Pro. Start by moving your playhead to the point where you want the reverb effect to begin and make a cut using Ctrl+K. Right-click on the second audio clip, select Nest, and click OK. Double-click on the nested sequence to open it. In the project panel, create a black video by right-clicking, selecting New Item Black Video, and accepting the default settings. Drag the black video above the audio clip on the timeline and extend its duration several seconds past the end of the audio. Go back to the main sequence, search for Studio Reverb in the Effects panel, and apply it to the nested audio clip. In Effect Controls, click Edit beside the custom setup for Studio Reverb and increase the decay to 10,000 milliseconds or adjust other settings to achieve your desired echo effect. Finally, extend the audio clip's end to match the reverb's fade-out duration. That's it. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to learn next.